Wow, this Dreamcatcher turned out amazing. Welcome to Grandma Kathy's Art Adventure. Let's go. Hello, everyone. So I am super excited about this. This is a Dreamcatcher. And I am going in the same colors that I went with that beautiful bowl I made. So this mold takes 8 ounces, and I did mix up, I believe, 10 ounces just to make sure I had enough. But like I said, I'm going with those same colors that I went for my bowl. So it's the Ballgown by TLP, the Copper by SigWong, and the Teal Chameleon powder by Let's Resin. I also used the 1-to-1 Bond Crafter epoxy resin. And thank you to whoever it was said to use tape to get the over pour off. So let's unmold this. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see the feathers. Let's see. I've seen everybody doing it this way. Oh. Oh, it turned out gorgeous. Oh, I got a little bit of cleanup. Not much, though. Woohoo! Oh, it's perfect. Oh, I hope these are as cute as the... Oh, not bad. I do kind of like this side better. Super cute. Let's take this out. Looking good. Oh my goodness. I should leave this one over here too, huh? These are pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh my goodness. I love this side. This side's okay. I just like this one better. We may use this side. We might use that side. It doesn't matter, right? I think this side will be better. Okay. All right, well, I got to put it all together. Got to put it all together. Let's see. I think it goes like, let's see, I think it goes something like this, this, and this. No, wait a minute. That's not right. It goes. I got it all wrong here. Is that right? I think that's right. And then I still had a couple of them wrong, but I fixed it. Oh, it's going to be amazing. So you will all be happy I didn't torture you through the picking out of all my beads. So here it is, completely finished, and I absolutely love it. I'll bring you in for a close-up of it here. You can see the beads I chose, and I added some ribbon, And this was so much fun, and I absolutely love the results of it. You guys will have to tell me what you think. These colors are amazing, and this was supposed to go as a gift along with the bowl, but I don't know. I hung it up and it's been there ever since. I'm not sure I want to give it away. Oh, you guys will have to let me know. What do you think? Do you like it? Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. I'm kind of on a theme here for these colors. I think I'm finished with that project for them. But I still have 2 more bowls and some more gifts to make, so tell me what you think. I'm in love with it. I absolutely love it. I love the Dreamcatcher mold, and I'm definitely going to be making more of these. And if somebody wants one, let me know. Alright guys, thanks for being here. Love y'all. See you next week.